In this video, we're gonna go through Tertulia app, which is going in the news right now because it was published in a few media outlets such as New York Times and went viral. So this is like a book recommendation app. So you can ask like, what's new about it? So basically, it's like a recommendation engine for books, similar as you have Netflix for shows and movies and Spotify for music. So yep, that's the idea from the founder of this app. Yep, and basically let's just open it up. And then here is how it looks like. I need to say that the app is invite only at the moment, and you need to have access code. But you can just go to their website and sign up for early access and then just enter your email and request access. And that's what you can do here. So just sign up and request access. You will be able to do that. And then I actually received email right away with the access code, but that was the feature which they had like for 24 hours that you could get request a code just super quickly. Now I don't know if you can do it, so I don't know how to get quickly on this app, but anyhow you can see that this app is actually in the top charts in some categories. And it's getting more reviews. So as you can see, it's number 5 in books. So yeah, it's an interesting app. So let's just go through it. So here's the app. I sign up, and I have today for you talked about in self-development. And the whole idea of the app is that you have these famous creators, journalists, influencers, and they are recommending the books. So basically, this book is focused around creators and like famous personalities like Oprah, like who recommend some kind of books. So this is, for example, book by Oprah Winfrey about entrepreneurship. This is the book by Bill Gates. This is the book by Luke Appling. And then this is another book by Bill Gates. So here's, for example, I can go to this book, I can bookmark it, and then I can add it to be read. So that's kind of cool. And then I can also just buy it right away. I can add to cart, and then in the United States I can just ship it right away. So I can just tap checkout, and then I think in the United States you can just easily ship it to you. So at the moment it's only possible to ship in the United States, not in Canada, not in UK or Europe. So that's basically it. So if you're in US, that's the cool feature. Then you have also reading, and then you have read. And then you can, so this is how you can set a status for the book. To be read, reading read. That's how it works, and then you can just set it up. So that's the idea. Then there is Explore tab where you can explore some interesting books. So basically, yeah, you can see all the ideas, and then basically I think this app is kind of scraping these recommendations from Twitter. So, you know, like, of course you can just go to Twitter and you're following some people, and these people are recommending these books. Like, you following some entrepreneurs, they're recommending some set of books, or you following some, I don't know, artist. But this app basically replaces that, and is using this app, it just scrapes all of these Twitter accounts and their info about books, and then yeah, you can just see them here. So that's the idea. That's how it works. Yep. Then you have trending books. You have fiction, non-fiction, crime and thrillers. So non-fiction. So here you can see. So yeah, of course, you can go to Amazon, but that's just another app, and that's how it works. And then here you have your lists, and then you have your profile. So yep, that's basically the idea. And then you can just search for an author. And then you can just search some books, and then you can see ratings from Goodreads. You can read some summary, you can read about the book, and then you can see more books by the author. So very nice app. Like, I also like the design, very warm design, very, like, you know, nice colors. Similar to, there is an app called Clubhouse, so similar to that. Yeah, so that's basically it. And yeah, so that's the idea. So definitely give a try to the app. It's interesting app for sure. It was just basically released recently. You can see 8 ratings, 4.5 out of 5 average rating. This app helps me to discover books that are just right for my interest. I love the interface, and the recommendations have been great. So that's the rating and the comment, low. But some people say that the app is still glitchy. Yeah, it can be understood that the app was just released recently. So that's what it is at the moment. Anyhow, this is what it is. Try it out, Tertulia app.